Hi there everybody, it's Heather from UMPI Center for Teaching and Learning, and I want to walk you through how you can create and add multimedia, so like video, audio, images to your assessments. So we're going to be using the content editor, which you can add to any assignments or discussions. And right now I'm actually in my assignments that I got to from the assessments tool. And so I'm going to go ahead and go into this assignment that I have not completed yet. What I really want to get to is the assignment submission space. So it's really easy to add a file for a submission by clicking the Add a File. Now you can update and add things either from your computer, or you can connect to OneDrive files. If you've connected to your Google, you'll also see a Drive option here too, that you can easily grab things from your Google Drive. We can also really easily record an audio or record a video. And look, there I am, utilizing the audio and video note tools that are right native within Brightspace. And I really want to talk about some of the other things that we can add within either the comment box, or sometimes you just have a text submission space right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this text submission space. Now you can see I have this content editor ribbon right here. Sometimes that's closed. And if you click that little 3 dots, the sideways snowman, you can open up and really access everything. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some text here. Now when I highlight that, I have some instant options. I can go ahead and make it bold, or I can make it italicized, or create a quick link, or I can access rich formatting within this ribbon right here as well. I can also change the color of my text if I want to. I can add different types of bullet list or indent. I also have the ability to add a link to things that are already within the course in easy access. So here you can see that I can go ahead and link to something directly here from my Google Drive or OneDrive as well. I can also add things from my media library. Now that media library is a little bit different than our Kaltura, because that media library is going to look for things that we've created with that video note tool. But if I do scroll down, I can see that I can also insert my Kaltura videos here too. I can add a table, or with the little plus button, I can add a divider or a symbol if you happen to have a special character like a tilde in your name, or you can go ahead and add an emoji as well. But what I really want to look at is where some of the fun stuff is in this little square button here that has the play, pause, record, and stop. And when you click on that, now within our text, which is really handy if we're on a discussion board or utilizing that tool, we can add a video note and text together. We can link to a YouTube video. We can also insert a live link right here. We can add our Kaltura videos that we've already recorded, or we can even record a new simply by clicking Kaltura and add new. And we can also enter an embed code, which is handy if you're working with any kind of code for a computer science class, or educational technologies for an educational technology class, or maybe you just want to embed a YouTube video with an iframe. So that's really easy to copy and paste your code there so that people can have an interactive experience. So I hope that you had fun inserting all of your stuff. Remember, if you ever run into any issues, go ahead and give IT a call, and happy learning.